quick one traders, let me share with you how I picked this trade in less than 15 minutes. So here is the setup, change of character and trend. So for the analysis, like I mentioned on the previous picture, there was a change of character to the downside at this point. So all you have to do is to pick your Fibonacci retracement to mark from the high to the low, and after this pick your rectangle to mark your level 50 and 61. Make sure that it fits into level 50 and 61 because you are going to be placing your stop loss just above level 61. All right, so we've identified that the market is in our point of interest, and the expectation is that we're expecting the market to go down. All right, for our confirmation, we go down to a lower time frame, in this case 15 minutes, to see if we're going to see some market reaction before we conclude that the market is going to go down. So for my TDI, you see that it's already around the sell zone, so I quickly placed my sell. All right, so here I'm setting my stop loss just above the level 61 in this case, and also I will be setting my take profit just near the closest support zone. Okay, so we are all done. All we are waiting for is for the market to play out. Quickly, I'll show you the confirmation from 1 hour, and you can see that the green line from our TDI is outside the Bollinger Band, which is shark fin in this case. So remember, I want to see a shark fin from on the lower time frame to conclude that the market is going to sell.
A few moments later.
So here is the outcome. You can see the market rejects so fast, hits the TP, and that is it. Cheers, guys.